Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and our today's topic is scope of timer. So you have a question why we use timer. So the basic answer is we are using timer to mimic how the user is behaving on an application. So somewhere if you are on a login page, so as a indie user you are looking for something and then you are clicking on some links. Then you see the drop down, you click on that, you read the option, so it will take some time. So to mimic this user's action, there is a wait between them, so we add a timer. So that's why the answer is why we use it to mimic the user experience into the JMeter. Otherwise, JMeter will directly clicking, it will not halt. So to mimic exactly how the user is behaving, so we add the timer. So right now we are discussing about the scope of timer, how these things are working in JMeter. So I created one script and added simple constant timer. So if timer is first how to add it in test plan, add timer constant timer. So we have a numbers of timer, but right now I'm showing only the constant timer. Later in session we will discuss about these timers. So this is a way you can add it. When it is added at the parent level or plan level, it will be applicable to the all the thread and their child elements. So this is a way it is working. Second, I will not confuse you. I am opening thread A and you can see constant timer B. So what will happen? Constant B will be applicable to the parent controller and his child controller. And now you can see constant C, it will be applicable for A and B. And G is also into the same level. So A and G also having they get added and it will be applicable to child controller. And okay, this constant timer D will be applicable to the child controller A only and the sampler. So the child controller A and his child element. So right now sample A is a child element and this will be implemented only for the sample A. So the constant timer E will be applicable to sample A. So what will be happen? So before going further, just remember four laws. The timer is executed before the sampler execution, but after the preprocessor. So what will happen? You can say there is a child element is sampler A. So what will happen? So all the preprocessor activity will happen. Then the constant will be comes into the picture, and then next after waiting for some time, whatever the times you are providing, it will execute the sampler. Second point, parent timers. So these are the parent timers for this sampler A. So all the constant you are seeing, parent timer is applicable to the child element under one parent. Under one parent. So yeah, here for this sample, this timer, this timer, this timer, this timer, this timer will be applicable. So this is a way it is behaving. So you need to sum. So what it will hold for the sum of all the four or five timers which will be added. So as per that. And one more point, if assume just like you are in A and you add multiple timers, constant timer B, and again you added some timer, constant timer. So what will happen? Sample A will all hold for the A, B, C, D, E along with this. So everything will be included as a sum and it will be applicable to A. If assume A, B, C and D is not there, then it will be the only the sum of E and other two time constant timer. So this is a way it is working. And one more thing, in report, the response time of sampler does not include the execution time of the timer. So in report you will not see those values. So that's it today.